Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by locking in a repeatable foundation, a relaxed three-finger grip near the dart's balance point, and a thumb that steadies, not squeezes. Once done, position your lead foot toward the board at about a 45 degrees angle so your hips and shoulders face the target. This stability reduces torso sway. Make sure your elbow sits roughly level with the board. That alignment creates a straight throwing plane and gives you a consistent sight line. You progress by refining the motion. Use a compact forearm drive and avoid exaggerated shoulder movement because smaller, repeatable parts boost accuracy. Once you have a steady backswing, accelerate evenly into a crisp release, not a slap, so the dart leaves the hand on your intended line. Make sure to finish with a clear follow-through, fingers pointing toward the target. That commitment prevents mid-air wobble and helps you reproduce precise groupings consistently. You finish by tying aim and feedback together. Use your dominant eye to pick a specific aiming point, and once done, observe where 3 consecutive darts land to detect a pattern. Make small adjustments to grip pressure, balance point, or stance rather than big changes, because minor tweaks reveal the true error source. If darts wobble or veer, inspect barrel balance and tighten shafts or replace worn flights. That mechanical check often fixes what technique alone cannot.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.